brand new one by the legendary Willie Nelson, who, by the way, lives down the street part of the year, so we see him around Maui sometimes. By the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe below. Hit me up if you got a message. I'd love to hear from you. So this song's in the key of E. It's a classic Willie, really beautiful, kind of a lilting melody. And the rhythm, it's got 4 chords in it total, so it's a 4-chord wonder. And so I'm going to run through the verse changes and then give you the bridge. So the verse goes like this. E to A. Then you go to a B7. Which takes you to the bridge, to the A, back to your E. Then you're going to go up to an F sharp 7, 2 major, to the B7, and back to your verse form. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Now you'll notice what my right hand is doing a classic kind of Texas style. Make sure you get that kind of real easy, free, easy strum with your right hand. Nothing too fancy, on, depending on who you're playing with, but there's some great little. So the moves I'm doing there are just some really, I call them interior melodies, but when you're playing that E, you can always drop your pinky down below here and on the G string and hit the 2nd fret, and it's just a nice voicing. It's not really written in stone the way it goes in this song, but they do there's a couple guitars playing. That's a slide up. Spanish guitar sound of thing. Up to the 4th fret on the G string with your 2nd finger, and then you got your 3rd finger on the G sharp, which is the 4th fret on the high E. So in slow motion it'd be so that's something you can use anytime that you want in the song. If you want to mimic the melody or solo. I'm hammering on the B string, 2nd fret with my pinky. It's always a nice move. And then you get the B7th there, and you can drop your pinky on the down to the 2nd fret of the high E and get a. And that's a classic kind of Tex-Mex move there. By the way, if you feel it and you're able to, you can always go to the bar B. That's an option. And then when you go to your bridge, you get that 7th, which usually signifies a move to the 4 chord. When you hear an E, you go to a 7th. Here comes the 4, which is the A. Back to the E. And then he goes on the 2 major, F sharp 7th. Looks like that. To the B7. Very simple song, beautiful song from Willie Nelson. So glad that he's still with us, because that's a voice you'll never forget once you hear it. So don't let the old man in, and keep on playing. We'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.